Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and we are back with another video today. And today I'm excited about this one. As you can tell from the title, we are trying some curly clip-ins for the first time. So if you're interested to see how I got this beautiful protective style, make sure that you stay tuned. Your girl got her hands on some curly clip-ins from CurlsQueen. Thank you to CurlsQueen for collaborating with me and sending me this curly clip-in bundle so that I can review it for you all. Now the details on this particular hair, I went with the Water Kinky Coily Clip-In extension set. This is for 4A, 4B girlies. If you have a hair texture that's similar to mine, these are going to be the perfect clip-ins for you. Now with this one, this is a 16-inch. I didn't want to go too long because I did want to keep it, you know, pretty natural, but the way this turned out, I'm ready to go to 20 inches, y'all. But that's neither here nor there. I got this in a 16-inch. So this is a 16-inch. I did not cut it at all. And the way that I put the clip-ins in just created this natural layered look, which I absolutely love. I did go ahead and wash and condition them before I actually used them because I wanted to ensure that the curls were clean, as well as I wanted to go ahead and style them. I did use a luxury shampoo to shampoo the hair, but for my actual conditioner to ensure that they were soft. Once I finished washing and conditioning this hair, I did also go ahead and style the clip-ins without them being in my head because I figured that would be the easiest method for me. So to style these clip-ins and to get this bounce and, you know, this fluffy look, I only used mousse. And for the mousse, I did use my Nairobi mousse. You all know I love Nairobi mousse. That was the only mousse that I used and the only product that I used on this particular hair because I wanted it to just be flowy and I wanted it to have a movement and be flexible. So I only used mousse. I did go ahead and start by just placing these into my hair. And as you can see, I did not braid my hair down or anything. The only thing that I braided was my very top section because I knew that that's where I was going to want to actually put in my crochet method. So everything else was just clipped in, low ponytail, and go ahead and watch the video. Let's see how we actually installed these clip-ins and how they turned out. As you can see here, I did the crochet method. So this looks like it's growing from my scalp. This was my very first time doing the crochet method on my hair, and I absolutely love it. Go ahead, sit back, and let's get into this install. So let's go ahead and let's talk about these clip-ins. For the price of these clip-ins and for the manageability and the flexibleness of them, is definitely a great buy. I will make sure to link everything below for you, including the exact texture that I have as well as the length, so that if you're interested in getting these curly clip-ins from CurlsQueen, you can definitely go ahead and pick you up some. But let's chat about it in the comments, y'all. How do you think that it turned out? Did I do okay with the crochet method? Should I keep trying this as a protective style until I get my hair to the length of where I want it to be? Drop a comment below. Let's chat. Make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.